they're not nice to you, then why do you keep wanting to play with them?
Well, my Candace is nice to me, but Haley doesn't.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. And McKenna had talked with me about she was a little brat.
About who was a little brat?
Haley.
Oh, yeah. Well, if she's not nice to you, then why do you want to keep playing with her? I don't understand that. You say, she's not nice to me. She's a brat to me. She's mean to me. And then when she knocks on the door, you say, woo, come in, girlfriend. How come? Don't play with her. She's not nice to you.
Well, I'll tell her to stay home and don't play with me.
Well, there you go.
And let McKenna knock on the door and let her play.
Mm-hmm.
So Haley can't come.